Hey YouTube, Marcus Reviews here. Well, today something new. It's from the new culinary inspired Lean Cuisine Marketplace. Ricotta cheese and spinach ravioli. It says made with organic ricotta cheese and tomatoes. No GMO. It's 310 calories. So I'm going to get this in and see what it tastes like. I decided to go ahead and use the microwave for this one. Can't see it, it's real steamy in there. But anyway, hope it comes out okay. Okay, here it is. This is smelling very, very good. The aroma from it is just real good. It's got my mouth watering here. And I love spinach. What I did was cut one open so you can kind of see a little bit of that ricotta cheese and spinach. It's just all over everywhere. So I'm gonna give this a try. There it is right there. That's very good. You wouldn't believe that this comes from the Lean Cuisine line. Still low calorie. It's really good. There's nothing I would change about it. The sauce is nice. I guess the sodium is I think it was around 600. It's actually more than what I usually take. Let's see. Yeah, it's at 620. Probably could drop a little bit less than that. But other than that, the pasta raviolis themselves are very soft. Nothing came out hard. Sauce smells real good. The right amount of ingredients in it and seasoning, really good. Scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give it a 9. It's really good. I would like to see it a little less in sodium, but this is not something I have all the time anyway. Once in a while it's pretty good. So anyway, check the rest of my reviews out and check me out on Instagram. And until the next video, this is Marcus signing out.